Welcome back. I'm Dylan with Beamer Tech. Now, BMWs come with tons of features that you probably use all the time. However, there are probably a bunch of features that you never knew existed. So here are the top 5 hidden comfort features that your BMW may have. Now, did you know that you could program the 3 buttons on your rearview mirror to open any 3 remote-activated garage doors or gates? Well, the first thing you're going to do is clear the memory that's already in there. Hold the left and right button down simultaneously until the LED starts flashing. Then you're going to want to take your remote, hold down the button that you want programmed, and hold down the button you want it programmed to, about 1 to 3 inches away from your mirror. And once it flashes quickly, you're set. Cars can get stuffy when sitting outside. Now, turning on your AC is going to drain your battery and your gas, but BMW has come up with a feature where you could just turn the fans on in your ventilation system. So we're going to go to the climate settings in your iDrive, pick the time that you want, such as the time that you get out of work, activate that timer, and your car will automatically turn on the fans at that time. Now, even though your car may have a backup camera, it's not going to show what's on the side of your vehicle. So, take advantage of the car's tilting mirror feature that your car may have. To activate that, take your mirror selection switch, flip it to the left, and when you put your car in reverse, your mirror is going to tilt down and point toward the ground. Now, if your BMW is set to automatically fold the mirrors when you park, well, there may be some instances where you get in your car to drive away in a rush and you forget to unfold them. Now, BMW has taken this important safety issue into consideration, and they will automatically unfold when you reach 25 miles an hour. But please drive carefully. Now, if you want to learn how to unlock the feature of unfolding your mirrors just by pushing a button on your key fob, check the link in the description to learn about our remote coding session. A great safety feature that BMW has are parking lights that remain on during the night. It's a great way to let other drivers know that your car is there if you have to park on the side of the road. To turn them on, make sure your car is off. Then press your turn signal lever down to turn the left side on, or up for the right side. To turn them off, bring the lever to the middle. Your pathway lighting is a feature that keeps your headlights on for a short amount of time to give you some extra light when walking in the dark after parking. To activate it, take your turn signal lever, pull it towards you, and your headlights will stay on for the amount of time that you have set in your iDrive settings. And now for a bonus. Cleaning your windshields is great, but BMW might also be able to clean your headlights as well. Check underneath your headlights, and if you have 2 square cutouts, you have this option. Now, to clean your headlights, first turn your headlights on and then pull your windshield lever towards you 2 or 3 times. Once you do that, you'll see a powerful mist of 2 blasts that will clean your headlights. If you're driving a BMW, you are driving an amazing piece of technology. Get to know your car and what it can do, and what you find out may surprise you. But do you want a little inside secret? BMW actually locks you out of a bunch of features that your car has. And guess what? We can unlock them for you. To find out how, watch this video about our remote coding sessions. To learn more about BMWs and some tips and tricks about them, and how Beamer Tech can help you out with your ride, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching.